World's latest free essential tools for online course. Here are some of the latest free essential tools for creating and launching an online course. 1. Canva. Canva is a versatile graphic design platform that offers a wide range of templates, images, and design elements to create visually appealing course materials, such as presentations, social media graphics, and worksheets. 2. Google Workspace. Formerly G Suite, Google Workspace provides a suite of productivity tools, including Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms, which are invaluable for creating course content, collaborating with team members, and collecting feedback from students. 3. Trello. Trello is a project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to organize tasks and workflows. It's great for planning and tracking the development of your course curriculum, content creation, and marketing activities. 4. Zoom. Zoom is a popular video conferencing tool that allows you to host live webinars, virtual office hours, and Q&A sessions with your students. It's a great way to engage with your audience in real time and provide additional support and interaction. 5. YouTube. YouTube is an excellent platform for hosting and sharing video content for your online course. You can create and upload instructional videos, tutorials, and course previews to reach a wider audience and attract potential students. 6. MailChimp. MailChimp is a free email marketing platform that allows you to create and send email campaigns to promote your online course, nurture leads, and communicate with your audience. It's a valuable tool for building relationships and staying connected with your students. 7. WordPress. WordPress is a powerful content management system that allows you to create a professional-looking website or blog for hosting your online course. You can use free themes and plugins to customize your site and add features like course registration, payment processing, and discussion forums. 8. Hootsuite. Hootsuite is a social media management tool that allows you to schedule and automate posts across multiple social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. It's a convenient way to promote your course and engage with your audience on social media. 9. Bitly. Bitly is a URL shortening service that allows you to create short, customized links to share with your audience. It's useful for tracking clicks and measuring the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns, including social media posts, email newsletters, and blog articles. 10. SurveyMonkey. SurveyMonkey is a free online survey tool that allows you to create and distribute surveys to collect feedback from your students. You can use it to gather insights, assess student satisfaction, and identify areas for improvement in your course content and delivery. These latest free essential tools offer a range of features and functionalities to help you create, launch, and manage your online course effectively, without breaking the bank. Whether you're creating course content, engaging with your audience, or promoting your course, these tools can help streamline your workflow and enhance the learning experience for your students.